Welcome to the new Veymax tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to minimize injuries from a fall from an electric skateboard.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about crashing. Unfortunately, with skating, you will eventually crash. So today we're going to try to eliminate as much pain and injury as possible. Let's get right into it. So let's talk about step number one, safety gear. Safety gear is definitely a must. At least always wear a helmet. You want to protect that dome of yours. A major head injury could be the most serious injury you'll ever have, and you want to protect that brain of yours. If you could afford elbow pads, wrist guards, gloves, knee pads, or sometimes even an armor jacket, that will definitely help prevent further injury when you do crash. Number two, stretching. Stretching is actually a very good thing to do for your overall health. It also prevents further injury because it stretches out your ligaments, it stretches out your muscles, so it will prevent further injury when you eventually do crash. And again, it's just great for your overall health. Now, step number three, right when you're about to crash, there's a lot of momentum going on. So try to run it off as much as possible. So the more you run off, the less energy will occur when you eventually hit the ground. So try to run it off as much as possible. Okay, and lastly, the fall itself. You want to stick your arms out, but not completely straight. You want to have them bent at all times. Now you can try to do this in the grass. Do something like a failed handstand. So when you come down on your arms and all your weight, start bending it little by little and choose a shoulder to tuck and roll. Tucking and rolling will prevent as much damage as possible. You might get some scrapes, you might get some cuts, possibly even a small fracture, but it's a lot better than face planting, breaking your teeth, or even a severe head injury. So safety gear, stretching, running it off as much as possible, keeping arms out but bent, and absorbing the blow by tucking and rolling. So I hope this helped you guys out. It definitely has helped me out in the past. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. If you think our video is good, please share it, like it, and follow us. See you next time.